Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to make AM logo. I'm really sorry for not making video. So I post daily, inshallah. Let's start. AM logo, right? And increase its PT. Okay. And font is Montserrat. If you download this font Montserrat, it's very good. It's very professional and very amazing. If you can download it with Google, and it's stand out in freelancer and other platforms. Okay, so don't forget to create outlines and ungroup. Left click, ungroup, and drag it with uh, left arrow. Okay, and arrange, bring to front, because I got M. So if you not arrange the letter, so it not cut it. So I'll cut M. So a a stop, and M up, is under object path, offset path, and 2 pt. Yes, no, 2 is not enough. I think it's 3. No, I think 4 is enough. 4 4 pt. Okay, and 4 is good. Okay, and shift plus right click and pathfinders cut. So this is like, and you can remove the extra object, this ungroup and delete, and control G, and change the color red, I prefer, and align, and make it with shift alt and right click. That's so guys, if you like my video, if you like my video, so subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share and like and comment. Okay, and if you want more videos, do subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.